Listen, on the comment section, on stop the bad comment and them something, then stop it. When you come over here, so you know it's a positive type of vibe. And stop it, man. We don't like it. When I'm people, you know, say only in the comment section make people live bad. When you stop it, man. When you come like bully. Me not business about nobody where them want do and them something they wanna stop it. Me not business about nobody life. I wanna bully in the comment section. I wanna not send $1. I wanna not give one heart. I wanna not give one rose. I wanna not do nothing at all. I wanna leave people alone. I wanna bully. I wanna make people feel bad in themselves and start turn against one another and start. Cause wanna stop it, man. Me not business. Me not business about Jaden, me not business about Rose, me not business about nobody on TikTok. I play with everybody, me love everybody, me not show nobody face. Me not business about nobody relationship, me not business about nobody, whatever with them want to do. I'm not too much, man. The whole if I comment when I say not needed, yo. It not needed. It not needed. I wanna do the talk bad in the comment section. That's why I'm telling myself so I come off alive, you know. That happy to be fun and them something they wanna tear down on each other. So we wanna leave stranger for do. Wanna stop it, man. Me not like it. Me not like it. Me not company the app for none of them something. Me not company it. For live bad with people and talk bad against people. Me not come for that. I see my comment section gone a while ago. I don't even know how. How I go on? How are this? See, I don't even know all of them something here. When I comment, Jerome, my comment section gone. Turn off comment.
But me never depend that.
I want my moderator them turn off the comment.
All them things are your money, everything.
Wanna answer me now? I want my moderator them turn off comment.
Because them sad over the election.
Stop talking about people sad now.
They said when do that.
Up Trump for win and him win and the argument done. Why you want the woman win?
Yeah, because she's a Democrat. And he's a Democrat. Democracy. They have ideology. They don't have none.
What you mean Trump not have none?
What is the principle run on? What is the ideology? Them don't have none. Them go in and people. Them do any fuck with them want to do. I know fuck when I fight democracy from the kingdom they do over there and the queen.
So why your ideology?
You have it. The socialization of the big means of production society that is doing. You're working, ain't it?
Yeah.
So that is the ideology, democratic socialism. The socialization of the big means of production in a society. That is yours.
Yeah.
Because you're working.
Yeah.
That the production article, big means. Yeah. Democratic socialism and was given to us.
Come sit down and talk to me then.
I'm not having a cigarette now, nothing.
Jerome, you smoke too much, man. How much cigarette?
I'm alone and sleep at night time.
You want me to sleep with you?
Before when you say that? No, that's not really. I have to ask something to calm me down.
I never asked it. I'm asking if I want to sleep with you. Why? Come here now.
Let me tell you night I come and go buy me a cigarette.
Come here now.
You buy me a cigarette for me a pack? $2.50.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't get better. Ask your shop.
Yeah, I'm going to buy it too.
You don't want to buy me no cigarette.
You can't hype when you have money though.
No, I don't have the money because I buy a lock.
Say money down.
Not yet done. I'm prepared the locksmith. Don't go and go and see him. I ask Betty.
So I know why you're going to work. Go and stay.
No, man, you want me going to work. But I'm not done the money for the day.
Go and stay for the
more rain.
No more rain now.
So
come.
Say,
the rain done.
Tomorrow.
The rain done.
One more storm out there.
No storm now out there. The storm done.
I can't one thing on one thing.
The storm is over. The storm is over.
Storm wake me up with you, you know.
Well,
the storm wake me up. I want to go to bed. I'm Monday night. Monday night the storm come in it. That wake me out of my bed.
So why the storm wake you out of your bed? I know wake me.
Oh, you like you know hear the breeze. Like the house about tear off. The breeze then.
Tired of them guys, I'm annoyed. I never had nobody on it. When I turn on back, I just feel big, lonely, and boring. Jerome, why you gonna corner gun for your phone? And which woman you gonna corner for phone with?
Yeah, Becky.
So why you gonna corner? So why you gonna in a corner for talk to woman? So sit down here and talk to woman, no?
Yeah, I can't.
So where you hide?
I can't depend on that, you know.
You're not depending, but where you hide? Sit down here and talk.
Yeah, the
He said,
phone.
sit down and talk on that. Now where you hide and I go?
What do you mean hide? I hide from people.
So why ask me the right to say you want to pay your phone and go in a corner?
Because I get me cigarettes.
So
Blood clot.
So which girl you give money?
Blood clot because bad money.
So which where you hide and I go pay your phone? So which girl this? So which girl that they on the phone?
I'm a girl a big woman. She boy picnic.
Are you me a chat to in a boy? Aye. So which woman that you go in a corner? Peter, thank you. Jeremy, if you want to go away, you know, go on. My business boy, yeah? So where you eat from morning?
I flew me I catch. I want a little spring.
I saw my throat feel tender.
You drink some sweet lemonade.
Banana lemonade.
It's lime there and sugar there.
I don't want a sugar.
If you don't have the honey. If you don't have no honey, you have
I have the honey is something I carry. I take it. Think
you want the sex?
Yeah.
No, that can't work.
It can't work.
No. There's this sweet,
but it's going to go down my throat.
What can take it then now? I mean, there's enough for sex.
No, they say good, but it's going to go, remember say honey.
Don't say that after sex.
So it's going to go down my throat properly.
That is not for your throat. That is for sex.
No, Jerome.
Yeah, but take it. I'm not happy.
Why are you face so far? Come here now. But the people them tell me a while ago say it good. It good.
Yeah, take it then. Come here, tell that for sex. I tell me say that for flu.
No, sir, that's why me I wonder.
It is not for flu. Everyone get flu, it's so that to tickle, you know.
Yeah, that tickle right here.
A flu you gonna get. Flu.
Flu me gonna get?
Yeah. At early stage like that.
You have stages.
Honey. Yeah. You need some honey. Something sweet to gargle your throat.
Gargle it?
Yeah. You just gargle it. Baby.
Oh, you gargle your throat.
You can't gargle your throat.
Oh, you gargle it.
We have water in our mouth and gargle. I said,
gargle it, mama, see no?
We can't gargle my tongue and water in my mouth. You have to have water in your mouth.
Try show me as an example.
It cannot work, so.
Just do it now.
When I take water, so water, put some water in your mouth.
Put
You can't gargle your throat.
Oh, you gargle.
Your blood clot laughing, you must laugh.
Oh, you gargle.
Let me know. I know how you gargle.
You go so.
Yeah.
Do it, mama, see no?
With the blood clot, me go do it, I mean, no water in my mouth. Nothing wrong with that blood clot, girl. Look at you, look like the mother. Like the virus, mad, them and them not.
Go so now.
You don't go with smaddy.
Go so.
Yeah, so you gargle.
Do it now, mama, see?
Me cannot do it. And water in your throat. Water have in your throat.
Show me how you gargle now.
You don't gargle nothing, man. Blood clot. You have to come down with the sodomite, go marrow, bumbo clot ways and side. Hey, the Republic, that's why you love Trump. Because them in the world, you know. Them love the sodomite.
No, Trump burn it out.
Them blood clot in the world.
So me ask you,
white supremacy.
But me
Sodomite
ask you,
go bumbo clot marrow. Oh, you love me out.
So me ask you, you gargle so.
And the world there come, me don't know.
But then some
you
people
love the blood clot, them people that can. Them do the fuck with. Are you into the fuck with? That's why you like them, some of the Republican. Them don't worry. Alright, you know what see what them go blood clot do. Cause them not have no ideology. Them not go rule out on a principle. Them go do everything them bumbo clot do like. Watch. But that is not an ideology. Them is not a Democrat, you know. Them not live up to no principle, you know. That's what them did the last time. The 4 years them did it. We're not talking about economy. We're not talking about people. People and them feelings are all them feel. I don't say demonstration can go on, you know. But what type of demonstration? You have peaceful demonstration, you have fuck with demonstration too. When them start to loot, burn down your place, they might kill your blood clot. And them people that do say hang black people, you know. Me know say do man now go win, you know. But me not say at least you get enough vote, you get enough support still.
But we know so she never go
Them
in.
people that jump people, them hang up on my bumbo clad black brothers, see them from Africa. They did it. Ku Klux Klan, white supremacists, go suck on the mother.
So you tell the people them
Tell
some of
them that I'm not scared of no guy, you know. Hey, yo! Me come from King Arthur them, you know. The Black Knight them, you know. Buffaloes was and so. If a guy, them want to know some them a blood clot Arthur. Test me. I'm going to take all the blood clot, go back and take a blood clot, you know me want a tanker. Man is stronger than plane, man is stronger than train, man is stronger than tank. Suck out on a blood clot, mama white supremacy, Ku Klux Klan. Everything you want the war. You go fight the man. You go fight the Black Knights them, you know. You go out in a King Arthur. Rock on a bomb clock. Well, you never do about to come lead the big pussy.
Hey! Mine make chop.
Them boy, hang my poor parents them. Them boy there. You say hang my bomb clock poor parents them in America. In Uncle Sam. Lick out to no matter one a piece. This is anybody scared of you. Scared of who?
Jerry.
But on the 500 there, suck your mother jump on the hole. You want to come kiss her ass. Walk off.
Jerome, you know.
Let me tell the blood clot, everyone want war with me. Start it. Because we have one heap of soldier up there. We have no soldier in a bumbo clot New York. So anytime you want a war from Jamaica, who know? Bumbo blood clot. Just say, to the word. You could have go a month in a week. And get who you want. Get something and come bumbo clot up. Come David Key. Hang my blood clot for parents them. White Supreme said them. Suck on the mother one a piece.
Babes. Babe. Babes.
Suck your mother White Supreme. Take one hold out. Then keep some of me.
Babes.
Hang my four parents them. None of blood clot. Uncle Sam. I know it's a Ku Klux Klan. I test me, go test me.
What you say?
Them fuck off, man. I don't want to win the Democrat. They come from, them can't fight me, no. They come from first world.
Yeah.
Them monarch.
Yeah.
King Arthur them.
Yeah.
They just want to chop up on my pussy bumbo blood clot. But where want me and them for war?
Why? You can't fight?
I mean, I can't fight. But don't
Hey!
you ever fight?
No, nobody show me. Alright.
Suck your mother, Uncle Sam. The whole out. No man to win. You fuck off and go away. Blood clots. And people like blood clot them there. For lead you. They kill your poor parents them. They hang up poor parents them back in the day of slavery. 500 years
So
ago.
that back in the days.
Bomb clock with no time at all in history. None of them are no
So you can forgive.
Forgive what? They not forgive you. Them don't want. Hey, them boys. Black fucking nigga, come here. The boy they want to kick it to the molly, you know. Skin it and tell the boy. They play with them. They never ever are gonna love black people. That's why they don't make the woman. Cause them say she
But
black.
a black man vote for Trump.
Black man, they may know themselves, man. They may know them bumbo class. Them just born with a idiot them there. They never ideology. You can't go make blood clot things who will not have ideology. Things. A system and principle are run on. You can't make a thing come bumbo clot rule. You can't make a thing come bumbo clot rule. And then fuck around. What else do I go blood clot? My house. No money like that.
It's time to on your house?
Yeah, that's here on the place. Hey, yo, no, Jerry, busy. Never see it tomorrow unless I say, I'm going to look cigarette.
Jerry, you're too
I'm going to want some alcohol here for one. Yeah, nice.
You're too light, Jerome. It's time to
Jerry!
She's not there.
Wait, though.
I lift up the zinc them and go to the party.
Where
And the
is
tree
zinc
them.
up? Which part is zinc lift up?
Me no want to beg no zinc kill. Me no want to beg nothing more. Like zinc. The tree them.
Well,
Jerry,
Two
let's
times
go
away.
now.
Yeah, 2 times away. Monday night, storm the day.
You want it to come, stay.
And then me lose.
Jerry!
The woman say I'm coming for me.
Jerry!
Me sad. No, me sad.
Darling.
Me sad. Yeah, me know. Rockin' Daddy, I try to cheer me up. Me sad.
Rockin' Daddy, the belly is big.
I lose the election into America. I'm sad. But why the woman to win?
Listen to me now.
Yeah, you're going now. It's a man. The word man.
Jerry.
It means man and woman. George, you're not too much entertainment, you know? Yeah, what you
Hey.
mean? You have to take like serious, you know.
Oi.
Me say, me sad.
Jerry.
Because me lose the election into America. Uncle Sam country.
Jerry.
Our country
Jerry.
is a republic country. It's a
You
Republican.
see me?
She's a republic.
She talk to you.
Me can't tell you no, bye-bye.
Jerry.
Bye-bye, white woman cigarette.
Jerry.
Tomorrow.
Jerry.
Bye, goodbye. Goodbye. Yeah, goodbye. Me sad. Me can't talk to you, me sad. Me sad, me sad, sad.
He don't
Who make you
want
sad?
to.
Who make you sad?
Yeah, me lose the election. America. In America.
Election. Sorry.
Yeah, me lose it. Me lose
Sorry.
it. Me lose it.
Come, let me give you punani.
That's easy. You give it for now.
Jerry, you want punani?
Yeah.
Hey, will you be happy?
Yeah.
Will you be happy?
Yeah, me happy. Yeah, happy. no,
Come and
no,
take punani. Come and wind up on that girl.
Well, that's a good job. That's a good luck. Well, that's I smile when I give the face a rest. No, I'm all right now. My sadness gone. My sadness
You
gone.
alright now?
Yeah,
You alright?
Yeah, but I'm going to look something.
There is black kiss. Black kiss.
Yeah, blood. Yeah, me more.
Sa pum make you
Me more.
Sa pum make you change so quick.
Me no.
What you mean?
Me know. Me not going to them. Me analyze.
But
Hey, look here, you know.
tell us
Me have to
about-
go leave, you know. Cause night a come. I mean, a rain a fall.
Now we are not falling too light.
I'm gonna need some people rub up. Tell me I get the
Mickey.
flu.
Jerry,
Jerry,
Jerry, you will not rock up on that girl. Jerry, rock up on that girl.
What up another one? See one here?
Hey, let me go now. Let me go. Hey,
I see one here.
oh, let me go.
Now I get the rum. Hey, man, tomorrow talk to me tomorrow now. Tomorrow, but not so late. What is this? You want some rum? Feel the house and rub up. You will catch flu. Rain time there and rain. I'm gonna wet up 2 times. Last time I tear down the house Monday night. Bye-bye. Yeah, we catch up with me. Bye. Take care, passengers. Yeah, bye.
Bella, what happened to Jerry?
Jerome, she said the government get the money. No, she said the government get the money. She'll come to Jamaica. When they kill him, they get fucked.
Okay, tomorrow.
Him said tomorrow, so me come up for life, guys. So bye.
Bye.